Freecell, how to play. The object of the game is to play all the cards to their matching foundation piles in ascending sequence. Shuffle a standard deck of playing cards without jokers and deal all the cards face up into 8 separate columns. Cards in each column should overlap each other downwards towards the player so you can see each card's value. You may do any legal move in any order at any time, any number of times. Cards may be played on top of each other, overlapping downward in descending order, alternating between red and black. You can begin an overlap on a column with either red or black. It doesn't matter if the cards in the column above follow the order, so long as the ones moved onto it do. King is high and ace is low. You may move single cards across columns any number of times. You may not pull out or insert cards from the middle or top of a column. There are 4 free cells above the columns in the top left where you can temporarily store any single card during play. Each cell may only hold 1 card at a time. A card may only leave a free cell if it can be legally placed in a column or on a foundation stack. You may only move sequentially descending, color alternating stacks of cards if you have free spaces in your free cells. You may only move stacks equal to the number of free cells available plus 1. This type of move is the equivalent of individually moving cards to the free cells, then back to a new column. If you have an empty column, you may move any card there. You can also move a stack of cards there if you have enough free cells to do it. In the top right are 4 foundation piles where cards of the same suit can be played on top of each other in ascending order, beginning with an ace and ending with a king. Once you move a card to its foundation pile, you may not move it back. If you get all the cards into their matching foundation piles, then you win. If you like the cards used in this video, check out the link in the description for where you can buy them.